just like I guess the first website designer didn't know how the ideal website would look like, right? That is something that we have to find out together, right? One of the ways in which we did that, which we do that actively, is by having designed a do tank. In this do tank, we try to connect ourselves with the innovators out there in the world and try to think with them and design with them and build with them new type of learning designs, evaluate those designs and try to improve them in order to sort of start measuring, start understanding, and start improving, and thereby leading the way. So this do tank is set out there as a sort of searchlight in order to try to answer that question, right? Every day, people working in the do tank stand up with that exact question. However, so I unfortunately can't give that answer. The answer that I can give is what I think the outcome of that learning design is, right? So the students that are taking that learning design of the future, how is that experience? I feel that is an experience of, well, I might be talking a bit too much into founder vision type of words, but almost a form of enlightenment. What I mean is, what is learning truly? Learning, in my opinion, the definition that I take is about a lot about perfection. And I don't mean, of course, if we take Bloom, right, and the types of learning that you can have, of course, there's knowledge transfer, et cetera, that I just refer as the easy part, right? That's the ones that are really transforming human, transforming how you act, how you behave, how you think at the world, and get you close. I mean, that is about the ones that change your perspective. So the experiences that you had a certain opinion at one point in time, or you didn't know what you didn't know, right? But that really help you enrich the world, such that after that learning experience, you are more excited about the world. You see the world in a different light. And I think this is one of the elements that is a founding principle, another founding principle that we build ourselves on. That is, people become closer to who they truly are if they develop themselves, and they develop these beautiful things of who they actually already are. And I think that if that happens, the very beautiful side of people appears, and actually a good side of people appears. People that are more grounded and are more looking around, right? First, you need to love yourself because you can love someone else, and or appreciate yourself before you can appreciate someone else. But that appreciation for someone else in the society that we live is so extremely important. And I think that learning design should contribute to that perspectivism change, which gives a sort of delighted experience for students, which brings them close to who they are, such that they can become a better, a nicer person in our society and in the world. And I think that is what true learning is. Just want to emphasize, right? It's no one's fault, right? That it is the case, that it is the way that it is right now. I don't think there's people really to blame for it. It's just that, so we can't say, you universities, you're doing such a bad job, or your teachers, you're doing such a bad job. It's just that we don't know. Everyone is willing to, everyone sees this, everyone understands that this is what we should be after. It's just that we haven't found a way in how we are going to take that journey, right? And that is, I guess, what we're trying to do together, and just want to have emphasized that